Welcome back, guys. In our previous lectures we have seen about how to deal with a weak acid, weak base, the corresponding pH, pOH. Also we stopped until when we had buffer. Now we are going to go into solubility product, extremely important one, because many years if you see there is 2 or 3 questions in equilibria total. Chemical equilibria la 1 varum, ionic la 2 varalam, adula vandu salt analysis or solubility product la adu varum. Okay, solubility product is very simple, just math oriented. Okay, it's just logic based. Solubility product is nothing but, all through ionic equilibria we saw acids and bases, but beginning of ionic equilibria I told you strong electrolyte, weak electrolyte. Okay, you take a weak electrolyte like a salt, adu thannila pota enna aguna. Now let's say for example you take common table salt NaCl, thannila pota Na plus Cl minus piriyum, but not all salts are soluble like that. Many salts are sparingly soluble. Okay, they don't want to be soluble in water. Example, the best example that you can see is the salt formation in your pipes and tubes. Okay, calcium carbonates, magnesium carbonate, all those, adu வந்து தண்ணில dissolve ஆக விரும்பல, அதனால தான் வந்து அந்த scalings form ஆகுது. They don't want to be soluble in water. But when I say they don't want to be soluble, all these salts are sparingly soluble, ரொம்ப கம்மியா தான் உள்ள போகும். They don't want to be soluble, okay, preferentially compared to other ones. Okay. Now let's take a salt AgCl. It's a solid. நம்ம தண்ணியில் போடுறோம். It goes very little into Ag plus aqueous and Cl minus aqueous. Okay. Now when you write your K expression, Kc equals Ag plus aqueous concentration times Cl minus aqueous concentration divided by AgCl solid. Now we know that this is actually not going to be soluble. Very less soluble means the amount of this is going to be very high. So water ku nama panna mariye idukum, I am going to take it as 1, meaning neutral. Not exactly neutral, I mean it is not going to contribute much. Okay. Now you can say, let's say it's a big number, extremely big number. In the number minus panna, multiply panna pudu constant varudula. So I can keep this as a constant. Instead you can just assume that the value given to you is Ksp itself, you can take it as 1. So idu nama marandirlam. In that case, okay, this becomes K equals Ag plus times Cl minus. I am not writing my states here, AQ nu irukano, and this is called solubility product. Now very simply what it means is mathematical product of solubility. Solubility means evlo thannila podu adora concentration enna. So the word solubility stands for concentration. Okay, so this is always in moles per liter. Some questions are grams per liter thaniya kepanga, but as written it is moles per liter. This is what is solubility product. Now if you write our ice table, we can write it as some large number, okay, some large number S, I don't really care, minus x in edudvom, x. Now that I am doing a separate symbol, I am going to give a separate symbol for this as S instead of S. Degree of dissociation alpha kodutha mari idukku S nu kodukka porom. This I am going to ignore because it's a big number. So this is going to be S times S equals S squared. So this is the solubility formula for AgCl. Similarly you can do the formula for multiple electrolytes. Idu vandu 1:1 electrolyte. Let's say for example you can take this as M and X. M is metal, X is the corresponding anion. What are the possible compounds that you can have? I can have Mx, I can have Mx2, I can have Mx3, I can have M2x3, and finally I can have Mx4. Needless to say here the pattern is same for M2x, M3x, M3x2, okay, M4x. Alright. When you do ice table for all of them, okay, I am going to do a complicated one, M2x3. This will give me M3 minus plus M3 plus Y2 minus. There is 2 of them here, 3 of them here. So 2 of them here, 3 of them here. This will be 2s, 3s. So K would be equal to, KSP would be equal to concentration of M3 plus squared, concentration of X2 minus cube. The amount of M3 plus is 2s. So it is 2s squared 3s cube, that equals 2 squared 3 cube s to the power 5. Okay. This is 4, this is 27 s power 5. Okay. Now if you write for all of this, you can actually get the numbers. I will even give it to you. KSP equals s squared. This will be 4s cube. Okay. This will be 27 s to the power 4. This will be right there. 27 times 4 is 108 s to the power 5. Okay. Now when you look at this one, okay, you can see that if you want to write down, it will be m 4 plus and 4 x minus, okay, s 4s. Solubility will be s times 4s to the power 4. Okay, this will be 256 s to the power 5. Okay. Now it's important that you remember all this, and also it is important that you remember what is s. S equals, so KSP equals s squared, s equals square root of KSP, just mathematical rearrangement. This will be KSP by 4 cube root. You can do it yourself if you want. This will be 4th root of KSP by 27. This will be 5th root of KSP by 108. This will be 5th root of KSP by 256. Okay. So they may give you S, they can ask you KSP, or they can ask you S giving you KSP. Here the most important thing when you are doing here is not these numbers, the power of KSP, that will tell you the correct answer actually. We will be doing a lot of problems actually in PYQ. I will be posting lectures for that. Okay, you will see, but you want to remember this. I will also send it to you as a neat table. You don't have to write it down. I will send it to you as a printed table for you guys in the WhatsApp group. Make sure that you are able to remember these numbers. Appadi number marandu pochuna, you should be able to quickly write it down. Okay. For example, if I were to, I forgot this, I have to do this in the exam. Okay, so that will be 2m and x. So that is s 2s. I don't have to worry about the charges. So the KSP would be equal to 2s square times s, that is 4s cube. Similarly, you can write for any of them. So this is the basis of KSP. Now how can it be asked for? The questions to answer KSP problems, if it is just a numerical problem, it's very simple. But KSP can deal with fundamental problems. So there you have to understand the numbers very well. So what does KSP tell you? The most common one, AgCl, AgBr, AgI. Okay, the KSP values are this way. These are KSP values, but isn't KSP always proportional to s to the power something? That's how all your setups are. That means KSP அதிகமா இருந்தா solubility அதிகமா இருக்கும். Solubility na concentration. So solubility அதிகம்னா என்ன, தண்ணில நிறைய போகுதுன்னு அர்த்தம். So in essence what it means, KSP அதிகமா இருந்ததுன்னா நிறைய soluble இருக்கு, தண்ணில நிறைய கரையுது அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். Or alternatively KSP கம்மியா இருந்தா more insoluble. That's what this is. Okay. Now I can give you a concentration of Ag plus and Cl minus. Okay. Let's say for example I am giving you, this is 1 times 10 to the power minus 6. This is 3.0 times 10 to the power minus 12. Okay. I can give you KSP equals something like 1 times 10 to the power minus 10. Now what I can do is, if I give you this concentration, I can ask you whether this compound will have any precipitate or not. What you are going to do is, you are going to do the same, Ag plus times Cl minus. This equals KSP. Okay, we wrote this, but that is when it is precipitated. Remember, we had Q versus K. Similarly, KSP la you are going to do ionic product versus solubility product. So this is always equal to ionic product. Okay, now what it means is இதோட concentration times இதோட concentration ionic product. Ionic product அதிகமாக இருந்ததுன்னா okay இது அதிகமாக இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். இது அதிகமாக இருந்தால் precipitate ஆக போகுது. So just like Q versus K, we can write ionic product versus solubility. கொடுத்துருக்க நம்பரை நீங்கள் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண போகிறீங்க. solubility productங்கிறது KSP. I can have ionic product less than KSP, ionic product greater than, or let's go sequentially, equal to KSP, ionic product greater than KSP. What it means is ionic product na தண்ணியில் இருக்கிற அமௌண்ட் கம்மியாக இருக்குது KSPயோட. அப்போது அந்த சொல்யூஷன் வந்து unsaturated, meaning அதில் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் உப்பு உள்ளே போகலாம். It can dissolve more, unsaturated. IP equals KSP na exactly equals KSP. That's called saturated. The solution is saturated. How much is supposed to go in has gone, remaining is precipitated. IP is greater than KSP அப்படின்னா எவ்வளோ உள்ளே போகணுமோ அதோட அதிகமாக போயிருக்கு. That is called super saturated. Okay, super saturated means what will happen? It will come backwards. Reverse precipitate ஆகும். Okay, AgCl will go and give Ag plus and Cl minus will go and give you Ag plus back. Now AgCl back, sorry. Now this is similar to this. Okay, this can be understood well only through numerical problems. Okay, make sure you write it in your notes. Okay, once you do numerical problems, it's your job to come back and look at the theory again. Equilibria in general, ionic equilibria or physical chemistry in general. You look at the theory, okay, you understand a little, you do problems. Once you do problems, you come back to the theory, you will start understanding a little bit more. Okay, now this is one aspect of KSP. The second aspect is, as I told you, I can figure out whether it is precipitated or not. Second, I can compare the given salts and say which is more soluble and more insoluble. இங்கே வந்து solubility AgCl க்கு அதிகம், KSP அதிகமாக இருக்கனால AgI க்கு கம்மி or insoluble. Okay, so what it means is, if I have I minus, Cl minus, Br minus, same concentration, okay, same concentration, I am adding Ag plus, okay, so my ionic product equals Ag plus times Cl minus for AgCl, Ag plus times Br minus or Ag plus times I minus. Okay, when will something precipitate? When ionic product equals KSP, it will precipitate. அப்போது இது எல்லாமே ஒரே நம்பர்ஸ், ஏஜி ப்ளஸும் ஒரே நம்பராக தான் இருக்கும். ஏன்னா ஒரே அமௌண்ட்டை தான் ஆட் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகே, 10 ட்ராப்னா அதில் என்ன ஏஜியோ அது எல்லாத்தையும் ஒன்றா தான் ட்ரீட் பண்ணும். ஸோ சேம். ஸோ விச் வில் precipitate first? ஓகே, the one that has the lowest KSP will precipitate first. ஏன்னா நம்மளோட க்ரைட்டீரியா என்ன? அயனிக் ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து KSPயை மீட் பண்ணணும், கட் ஆஃபை மீட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, இமேஜின் லைக் ஹியர் கட் ஆஃப். ஓகே, KSP இஸ் அ கட் ஆஃப். அயனிக் ப்ராடக்ட் இங்கே இருக்குது. ஓகே, இதான் கட் ஆஃப். நான் ஏஜி ப்ளஸ் போட கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக அந்த அயனிக் ப்ராடக்ட் மேலே வந்துகிட்டே இருக்குது. Cl மைனஸ், Br மைனஸ், I மைனஸ் ஃபிக்ஸ்ட், ஏஜி ப்ளஸ் அதிகமாகிட்டே வருது. கட் ஆஃபை மீட் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் ப்ரிசிபிடேட் ஆகும். பட் ஐ ஹவ் 3 டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கட் ஆஃப்ஸ். AgIக்கு இங்கே இருக்குது சின்ன நம்பர், AgBrக்கு அதோட அதிகம், AgClக்கு அதிகம். அப்போ எது முதல்ல ப்ரிசிபிடேட் ஆகும்? எதுக்கு கட் ஆஃப் கம்மியாக இருக்கோ, எதுக்கு KSP கம்மியாக இருக்கோ அதுதான் முதல்ல ப்ரிசிபிடேட் ஆகும். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் அ பேட்டர்ன் ஆஃப் கொஷின். திஸ் இஸ் த டிஃபிகல்ட் சைட் ஆஃப் கொஷின் பிகாஸ் this is actually simple what I am telling you right now. ஏன்னா எல்லாமே 1:1. Ag2CrO4 கொடுக்கும்போது it is a little bit different. We will worry about it on the problem side. But at least you can take it this way. To sum it up, when it will precipitate, it's easy. When I am given a set of salts, the one with the highest KSP will be most soluble. One with the lowest KSP will be the most insoluble or least soluble. Okay. Second, I am given a set of ions of same concentration. The one that will precipitate will be the one with the lowest KSP. KSP கம்மியாக தண்ணியில் போக விரும்பலை. அப்போ அதுதான் முதல்ல precipitate ஆகும். Okay, this is the basis of KSP. The remaining we will worry about it on the problem side. Okay, thank you guys.